couldn't appear before this court. So if the court may insist, may this matter be listed on this coming Thursday or Friday?
No, this list is for the entire week.
Okay,
No orders required. So whenever she comes, we'll have it. You want it on Thursday?
if possible.
All right, yes. Why not? We'll just mark it as Thursday.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No order required. Okay.
Obliged. With Your Lordship's indulgence, making a mention regarding items 7 and 8, I have been requested by the counsel for the respondent, my lord.
Who?
In this
Villaramenga
CGC, my lord.
or CGC.
If this matter may be taken up next Tuesday. Tomorrow.
Next Tuesday, tomorrow.
Okay, it's in the list anyway. Whatever is ready, we'll take up. Which is not ready, we'll not take up. Yes.
Obliged.
May I seek Your Lordship indulgence on mentioning item number 5 of the hearing list, my lord?
Yes. What do you want?
Lord, the parties are intending to settle outside the court, so if the court may await for.
You're for the appellant.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, please write down. Mr. Lomo Moralte, learned counsel for the appellant, submits that the parties are making an attempt to settle the matter out of court, and therefore he prays that some time may be granted. In view of above, matter stands adjourned for
For 2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks. All right.
Interview of that, my lord.
Orders, item 6.
What is this order?
The matter can be listed for hearing. Paperwork has been prepared and we have received.
You have received it?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. A. Malhotra, learned counsel for the appellant, submits that he has received a copy of the paperwork. Who's for the other side?
Mr. Raymond.
Stop. Office note dated 15/5/2025 also indicates that paperwork has been furnished to the learned counsel for the respondent. Stop. In view of above, registry to list the matter for hearing as per its own turn.
Admission, item 1.
My lord, although it is fixed for today, I would like to seek your lordship indulgence. I'm having personal difficulties, my lord. The matter may be listed in the coming week, any day next week. I've taken the consent of Mr. Malhotra.
Okay. You want after a week or you want a fixed date?
After
Next week.
any date?
10 June.
10 June. Okay, 10 June.
10th.
Mr. L.H. Jantrima, learned senior counsel appearing for the respondent, Mizoram University, submits that he has some personal difficulties to conduct the case today and therefore matter may be adjourned. Mr. A.R. Malhotra, learned counsel for the petitioner, has no objection. In view of above and as paid for, is the matter on 10th of June 2025.
All right, sir.
Item 2.
My lord, I seek your indulgence in this matter. It has come to my information that the petitioner hearing has passed away. So I'm awaiting instructions as to how to proceed with the matter. So some 3 weeks time may be good.
What is your claim here?
Pardon, my lord.
What is your case about?
Basically, the claim is easement to the right,
Easement to the right.
my lord.
So obviously, I think the cause of action would subsist, and somebody has to be brought in, legal representative. When did he expire?
I heard that sometime after March.
Okay, please write down. Mr. Vanal Ngaka, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner has expired sometime early this year, and therefore he may be given some time to receive instructions as to whether to proceed with the matter or not. So, Ms. Leonard Louis, learned government advocate, appears for the respondents. In view of above and as prayed for, matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks. All right.
Nothing major.
Item 3.
Til halvøj zoom dog.
I think the Leonard J will take some time.
No, counter affidavit not filed.
No, my lord, I have, yes. I have already filed.
Your Lordship, the matter was last listed, when the matter was last listed, I was directed to see whether a joint verification is possible on the end of the state
Okay,
respondents.
okay.
Accordingly, Your Lordship, as per the instruction that I've received last month, the Undersecretary has directed the concerned officer, the Field Director Dampa, to have a joint verification with the Marmit revenue officials, Your Lordship.
Joint verification is possible?
Yes, Your Lordship. Directions have been given to the Field Director Dampa. As on,
Where's that direction? Who has given the direction?
the Undersecretary has given direction to the Field Director Dampa to comprise of a team to conduct a field
Where is that?
verification.
Where is that? There's some orders been issued?
Yes, Your Lordship. This is of 9/4/2020. I received it on 8/4/2025, Your Lordship.
Okay, this was issued on 8th of April.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You received it on 9th of April.
Yes, Your
Now
Lordship.
we are in June. This is not the latest position.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So pursuant to this proposal for having a joint verification, what has it happened or not?
Your Lordship, I have not been given any further instructions.
You seek for it.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. Zoram Chana, we had passed an order on 27th of March. In line with that order, the Environment and Forest Department has requested the Revenue Department to conduct
I see.
a verification to find out the exact location of your land and to submit a report. So that was in April. We'll give them some more time.
Actually, this, anyway, my lord.
What can be done?
Yes.
They have initiated
At least,
some.
my lord, can you give them some time frame, my lord? Which
See-
might be now, they have already done, I think.
We don't know. They have initiated something, so let us see what they have done. Please write down Mr. Caesaram Channel, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. Leonard Louis, learned government advocate for the state respondents are present. The learned government advocate submits that pursuant to the order passed by this court on 27/3/2025, the Undersecretary to the Government of Mizoram, Environment, Forest and Climate Change Department has requested the Undersecretary to the Government of Mizoram, Land Revenue and Settlement Department to constitute a joint verification team comprising of the Deputy Commissioner, Marmit Field Director, Dampa Tiger Reserve, Divisional Forests Officer, Mamit, and revenue officials for ascertaining the exact location of the land in question for submission of report to the High Court. Post of the said communication was made on 8/4/2025. And the learned government advocate submits that she has no further instructions in this regard. Stop considering the communication made on 8/4/2025. The learned government advocate is given 2 weeks' time to obtain instructions and inform the court.
Can we, my lord, have a fixed date, my lord?
As to whether joint verification team has been constituted and a report prepared by the team concerned. Let the matter be listed again on so and so. Give the date. Today is 3rd, isn't it? We'll have it on 23rd.
My lord.
23 June. List again on 23/6/2025.
Obliged, your lordship.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
You have an extra copy of this?
No, Your Lordship, that is my only copy.
You make a Xerox copy and keep one copy here. The communication dated 8/4/2025 produced by the learned government advocate shall be retained in record and marked as X for identification.
Obliged.
Item 4.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in this case, I'm afraid to inform the court that I have a big communication gap with my client.
Okay.
She hails from the Chakma area.
Okay.
And we had taken notice initially. We had taken steps, but then the notice came back as address not found. And then we prayed for Dusty. And instead of giving it to the respondent, my client inadvertently served a copy to the district council court.
Okay.
Now it has come to my attention that this respondent belongs to the Mizoram police and he has been recently transferred. So if I may be the respondent, sole respondent.
Transferred to which
Transferred, that was the only information that was given to me. So
Okay.
through some other third party, I'm trying to find out the new address. If I may be afforded some time to find out.
place? So how do you intend to serve notice?
If I can find out the new address, then maybe through the usual registered post, my lord. Because the address which I've mentioned in the appellate,
We'll do one thing. We'll list it again after a week.
my lord,
Meantime, you just find
I'll
out.
find out.
And if it's dusty or registered post, you'll make a submission accordingly and we'll
Very well, my lord.
pass the order.
Very well.
As paid for by Mr. Lal Fakoma, learned counsel for the appellant. Matter stands adjourned for a week to enable him to ascertain the current address of the sole respondent.
My lord. Deeply obliged.
Item 5.
Yes.
May it please your lordship, this matter was handled by Pivani Siami, so I'm not aware of the case, but however, from the recordings that I've seen from the order on 12th March 2025, notice has been issued and we have not yet received any.
You want some
instructions,
more
Your Lordship.
time?
Yes, your lordship, if
Okay.
3 weeks time may be granted.
This is regarding regularization.
Regular. Yes,
Master
my lord.
roll.
Yes, my
Okay. Under which department?
lord. Mizofet, my lord.
Mizofet. Okay. You appear for Mizofet also?
No, your lordship, only for respondent number 1.
And what about the others?
My lord, notice has been served and I don't know
How?
why.
When? Notice has not been served on 3 and 4. AD card has come back from number 2, registrar. But 3 and 4,
It has not been returned, I think, my lord.
we'll do one thing. We'll ask them to track the postal consignment. Please write down, parties are represented by the respective councils except for respondent numbers 2, 3, and 4. Stop office note dated 7/8/2025 indicates that AD card has returned back from respondent number 2. Stop, however, in respect of respondent numbers 3 and 4, neither AD card nor unserved notice has returned back. Full stop. Ms. Lal Nunlui, learned government advocate, appearing for respondent number 1, prays that she may be granted further 3 weeks' time to file counter affidavit. Full stop. Next para, in view of above. 3 weeks' time is granted to the respondents for filing their counter affidavit. Stop. Notice upon the respondent number 2 is declared to be complete. Stop. In respect of respondent numbers 3 and 4, office shall track the postal consignment and put up a note by the next date. List again after 3 weeks. All right.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Any matter ready for hearing? No one's ready.